passive income can be a great way to earn extra income. And the very fact that it's passive and not active income makes it seem that much more appealing. After all, it's money that we'll see streaming in day to day without putting in any work at all, right? Well, not exactly. While passive income can be like that over time, it does take just a little bit of work to get started. However, if you're willing to put in just a little bit of work up front to get things started, then later on down the line, you can reap all the rewards of passive income cash flow. Hi, my name is Josh, and in this video, I'm going to be going over 5 different ways in which you can earn passive income. And no, none of these will involve filling out surveys or get rich quick schemes. Oh, and if you'd like to help me out by liking this video, it really does help me out with the whole YouTube algorithm thing. So, jumping right into it today, the first way in which you can earn passive income is through buying and renting out properties. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, but Josh, this isn't exactly the cheapest thing to do, and you're right. This will take a good bit of saving, and generally at least, you will need to put down at least a 15% down payment. However, if you are able to save up that amount from your active income type of job, your 9 to 5 per se, then you can begin purchasing your first rental property. To do this, you will need to do a good bit of research, run the numbers, and make sure that you will be earning more in rent than what you'll be paying for the mortgage. You'll also need to factor in other expenses such as vacancy and repairs. What's great about investing in real estate is not only will you be earning passive income from rent on a monthly basis, but on top of that, your property will also appreciate in value over time. You can also begin purchasing even more rental properties over the years, which should increase your passive income even more. Of course, being a landlord can take quite a bit of work in itself, which wouldn't make this much of a source of passive income. While this is certainly true, you can also hire a property management company who will do the majority of the work for you. This way, if there's ever a repair that needs to be made in which your tenant is requesting, they can take care of all that for you. These property managers will cost you a monthly fee, but all in all, for a lot of people, they're well worth it just because they take all the stress out of dealing with the day-to-day problems of being a landlord. Okay, moving right along to the second way in which you can earn passive income, and this is through dividend investing. Basically, how this works is you'll be investing in stocks or mutual funds that pay out dividends on a monthly or quarterly basis. This, again, is another form of passive income that does require just a little bit of capital up front, and it doesn't hurt to continue investing over time. Let's say, for example, you invest $500 into Coca-Cola, which is currently paying out 42 cents per share. At its current share price of around $55, you could purchase around 10 shares for a total of $550. Then, each quarter, just for owning the 10 shares of the company, Coca-Cola would give you $4.20. The great thing about dividend investing, especially when investing in companies that have increased their dividends over the past several years, is that this income should only increase for years to come. Coca-Cola, for example, has increased their dividend for 59 years in a row. So, over time, the amount that you'll be receiving from a company like Coca-Cola should only increase. Eventually, if you continue to buy more shares into this company, you'll be receiving enough in dividends where at that point you can continue to buy more shares into the company with the dividends that you're receiving. Even though dividend investing certainly isn't a get-rich scheme, they do tend to snowball over time with consistency and can be a great way to earn passive income. Speaking of investing, if you would like to get started by earning 2 free stocks on Webull, you can click the link in the description box below and in the pinned comment below, and when you open an account and deposit at least $100, Webull will give you 2 free stocks valued up to a combined $2,300. Alrighty, so the third way to earn passive income on our list for today is by starting a YouTube channel. Even though when you first start your channel, you won't be able to earn too much income and it will take some time to build up your channel, but with consistency, it can really begin to pay off. On my channel, you'll see that usually before a video starts, an ad will appear. When users watch this video or click on the advertisement, if they're interested, I'll earn just a little bit of money with each click. Sometimes you'll also see some advertisements pop up in the side or in the middle of videos as well. In order to get these advertisements on your channel through AdSense, you will need to be eligible to become a YouTube partner. In order to do this, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Even though this does seem like a daunting task at first, believe me, with consistency, you will definitely get there. Plus, you'll soon find out that 4,000 watch hours really isn't all that much, and anything lower than that really wouldn't earn you too much money anyways. Now, with YouTube, there are basically two different types of content that you can create. Content of current events, and also what we like to call evergreen videos. With current event videos, you can make videos about events that are currently popular, such as news stories that are currently popular. These videos may gain a lot of views in the first few days, but over time, they'll die off and no longer gain any interest. With evergreen videos, they may not gain a whole lot of views up front, but over time, people will continue to search for them, which will continue gaining views for months and years to come. Remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine on the whole internet, so if you're able to create valuable content that's being searched for quite a bit, in a niche that's not oversaturated, you're probably going to find a lot of success. For me, I try to put out a mix of videos. For current event videos, I created a lot of videos surrounding the stimulus checks. Then, for evergreen types of videos, I've also made quite a few reviewing credit cards and also creating content around personal finance. Even though it definitely does take a lot of active work to plan out, film, and edit videos, you can earn passive income on the videos that you previously made without doing any more work. Again though, this does definitely take some time, and you can expect to work for at least 1 year, usually before becoming a partner and earning any income through AdSense. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the fourth way in which you can earn passive income, and in a way anyways, this sort of connects with YouTube, and that's through affiliate marketing. Even though you don't need to have a YouTube channel to earn money through affiliate marketing, it can definitely be an effective method. Affiliate marketing is where you basically find certain products, which will give you a link, and when someone signs up or purchases a product using your link, you earn a percentage commission. With websites like ClickBank, you can find certain companies that will pay up to 90% in commission. If you start a YouTube channel, this can be a great way to earn some income if you're not yet monetized through AdSense. Personally, I even use affiliate marketing, just like earlier in today's video, when I mentioned that you can earn 2 free stocks from Webull when clicking my link in the description box below and depositing $100. For each person that does this, not only will they get 2 free stocks, but I also get a free stock as well. One thing you do want to be careful about though are the products that you offer. Remember, your reputation will be on the line when offering these products, so if you're trying to get people to sign up for services that are scams or probably not all that worthy, then people are probably not going to continue watching your channel. Your reputation is everything, so whether you're offering products on YouTube, Instagram, or any other media method, it's important that you trust the product yourself before offering it to others. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the last way of earning passive income on today's list, and this one is to sell food and beverages. And no, not on the streets, but in a vending machine. You may think this could be expensive, and they certainly can be, but you can find some of them used on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace at a pretty decent price. Now, they may need some simple repairs, however, you can most likely fix them for cheaper than what it would cost you to buy one new. From there, you will need to locate a place with a lot of foot traffic that also currently doesn't have a vending machine, which could be kind of tough to do. At that point, once you find your location, you'll need to ask for permission to install your vending machine in that particular spot, and then from there, you'll have to work out a deal that works for both of you, the owner of the store and you yourself. machines typically can do pretty well in grocery stores, malls, hotels, and even schools. Typically, you will need to pay the owner of the store a commission on your sales, which can range anywhere from 7 to 25%. It will be incredibly critical that you run the numbers just to ensure that whatever commission you give out, it allows you to also make a profit. It's also important that you have some type of contract drawn up just to ensure that all the terms are laid out in simple terms. That way, if there is an argument in the future between you and the owner, you'll have everything spelled out in the contract. It's also important to note that this will take just a little bit of work up front, locating the vending machine, finding its location, and moving it into its new spot. However, once you have all that done and buy the products for your vending machine, from there, all you'll need to do is restock your products and collect the money. If you want to make this process even more passive and less work for you, you can hire an employee who you personally trust who can do all this work for you. So depending on how passive you want this to be, will be completely up to you. Okay, so that wraps up the list of ways in which you can earn passive income. Again, while passive income does sound easy, it does take quite a bit of work to start up, but in the end, it's usually well worth the time. So if you did find the content in this video valuable, again, I would greatly appreciate it if you could take just a second out of your day to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also ring the notification bell. That way, you'll be the very first to know when I do upload a new video. So again, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day.